How to find referral code in Bitget. For that, open your Bitget exchange first, and here you need to make sure that you have successfully logged in into your account and you have successfully verified your account. After that, on the home page, tap on the rewards option. Then you will be landed on the rewards center where you can see all of your daily tasks with the help of which you can get bonuses. But since we want to find our referral code, so you need to either tap on the share button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, this is your referral code which you can copy from here. If you are not able to find the share option over here, then you can even tap on the referral option, and then you will be landed on the referral page of yours where you can see all of the offers that you can promote. So you can select any of these and you will be able to find your referral code. Now if you want to copy it, then tap on the copy option. If you want to save it, then tap on the save option. If you want to share it with your friends and family members via WhatsApp or Telegram, you can also do that. By tapping on the more option, it will also give you some other options like some other social media applications on which you can share your QR code as well as the referral code. So you can select any of these. Basically, this way you will be able to find your referral code in Bitget exchange. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.